Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to import sports data tables into Google Sheets. So let's get started. First, go to the Basketball Reference website. This site provides detailed stats and data about the NBA. Now select any section or table you want to import. Then copy the URL from the address bar. Next, open Google Sheets. Click on the first cell or any cell where you want to insert the data. Now type the equal sign equals to begin a formula. Type import TML and select the import TML function from the suggestions. Inside the parentheses, do the following. Add quotation marks, then paste the URL you copied from the website and close the quotes. Then type a comma, next, add quotation marks, type table, and close the quotes. Then type another comma. Finally, type the table number 1 if it's the first table on the page, close the bracket, and press enter. Now, as you can see, all the data from that table is imported into your sheet automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. This is another internet guru.